Hello Toyota lovers, it's Rachel at Autoline Toyota and I'm going to be doing some fun tutorial videos with you, and today we're going to be taking a look at how to personalize the height of your power tailgate. Alright, first you open the power tailgate, let it open up all the way. Using the handles here, you simply just pull down where you want it to be and hold, and then you press and hold your power tailgate button here for 2 seconds. And now it will remember your set height. There you go, very easy.